Hey guys, welcome back. So I have a huge mess in my small closet. Nothing fits in there, so I really need to declutter this closet, get rid of anything and everything that I don't use, even if I love it, or that I don't wear, because it's just insanely crazy there. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna make two piles. One pile is gonna be of stuff that is like really good condition, but I don't ever wear it, or I will be getting rid of it, giving it away. And then the other pile is the stuff that I will keep. Floor or bed? Let's just do bed. Hey, I forgot I even had these Fashion Nova jeans. I love these jeans. I forgot I had them. They're like high-waisted, stretchy, distressed jeans, and they're just amazing. And I haven't worn them in forever because of that mess. Can't find anything. So I have emptied all the clothes. I still have some more stuff up there that I will deal with later after I have figured this out. Alright, so let's go ahead and sort this mess. So alright, I've sorted the pile of stuff that I never wear anymore, and that I'm going to get rid of, and then this other pile is the stuff that I still wear and I need to fix because it's a mess. Okay, so now I'm going to do the shorts, the shirts, the bosses, anything that I don't ever wear. I'm gonna get rid of that, which I have a lot of, and let's get to it. Ralph Lauren. It's like a suit, a dress suit by Ralph Lauren. It's like, it's one of those suits that has those pads, those shoulder pads. Wait, it does not have shoulder pads, but for some reason it feels like it does. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Keeper, no. Very good. I forgot where I got this.
Wait.
I do have to go really dressed up sometimes to work. So I keep it. Never like knew how getting rid of so much stuff was such a tiring thing. Shoes wise, I wear all these shoes different occasions, but yeah, I'm not gonna get rid of any shoes. I'm just doing clothes right now. So this is a get rid of pile, and this is the keep pile. Guys, for this I need a chair because This closet is so high up. Okay. So I have stuff right here that I need to get rid of. And oh my god. So all of this will be going to Goodwill or wherever. Where's that? Oh, this belly thing. This one's to make you sweat, your belly sweat when you work out. This is like a after pregnancy band thing, so yeah, I don't need that. Nobody's having kids. That's that. I will set them up here. Alright guys, so what I did, yeah, this is way better than earlier. What I did was I organized, I made 2 piles for my jeans. These are the jeans that I wear the most often, so just put them on this pile. These I wear but not as often as these, and then these are some of my shorts, and then some of my dress pants I put back there. And it's really good to make piles like that so you know what is what and you're still not like digging. So that's that. So we took care of the top. Now I gotta take care of this part. So super heavy with all the bags. So remove some stuff. Okay, so this is a bag hanger where I hang all my stuff. So to make decluttering easier, what I do is I remove all the loose hangers just to know what I'm working with. Okay, so these are all the loose, empty hangers. Alright, and then what I do to make it easier to organize that mess is I push everything to one side. So. And then instead of taking it all out and putting it somewhere else, I work from one side to the other. So let me show you guys. So for example, everything is dresses, long sleeves, short sleeves, blah, blah, blah. I will start with tank tops. So what I do is I search for all the tank tops. So here's one tank top. So all the tank tops, I just gather them and put them together. Okay, those were all the tank tops. Once I've gathered I've set all the tank tops to one side, I go ahead and move on to the next, which is I want to do all the muscle shirts. Okay, so what I do is I start from one side to the other. So I've been doing like all the tank tops first and all the muscle shirts. Now I'm going to do all the short sleeves. So I am done sorting my closet. As you guys can see, it looks way better. So what I did, had pushed everything to one side and worked my way to the other side. So on one side I put all my tank tops and all my short sleeves, all my long sleeves, my skirts, dresses, and then all like my jackets, blazers and stuff like that. I set all towards the end. You can fix them however you want. This is how I chose to do it. But yeah, that is what I did, and it looks way better than before. So yeah, my tips here when decluttering is just start on one section first. So what I did, I started at the top and then worked my way to this side. But instead of like removing everything out, I just pushed it because I didn't want to like, it's just easier for me. You can take it out if that works for you, but for me, I just push it all to one side and then just grab whatever I want and kind of sort it that way. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.